Escape into a scene plucked from a holiday movie, where snowflakes dance like sugar plum fairies and the glow of Christmas lights warms the heart. A romantic Christmas getaway is the perfect canvas for love to bloom amidst the festive cheer. Imagine waking in a mountain cabin, the world outside a pristine white canvas, or strolling hand in hand along a deserted beach, the winter sea whispering secrets to the shore. From the old-world charm of European Christmas markets to the celestial spectacle of the Northern Lights, each destination promises a unique backdrop for romance. Envision days spent gliding down ski slopes, evenings unwinding in a private hot tub under the stars, or cozying up in a historic inn where time seems to stand still. A Christmas cruise offers a sea of festive luxury, while a secluded cabin in the woods provides a sanctuary to disconnect and reconnect. Your romantic Christmas getaway is a chance to forge unforgettable memories, a retreat from the everyday into a wonderland of joy and intimacy. So let the spirit of the season guide you to a place where love and festive delight are the greatest gifts of all.